This is the QSY Mount Beacon field day ham amateur radio satellite station. I'm going to show some of the details here. There's a software package called Ham Radio Deluxe, and it is showing the location of the satellites that we're going to try to use. There's two in particular that are useful, and that is AO7 here and let's see, where is it? FO29. The equipment that we use here is this satellite is a linear translator, which means it's meant to be used with single sideband and CW. The uplink for FO29 is on 2 meters, and the downlink is on 435 megahertz. And we use a single antenna for this operation. There's a rotor here to change the antenna direction. And in order to use a single antenna, which is a log periodic antenna, we have to use a couple of diplexers here to filter out the signal from the 2-meter signal. The third harmonic gets filtered out here with this 50 ohm termination and this network in this diplexer, and then the 2-meter signal goes into the second diplexer, and so now that feeds the antenna. There's an antenna switch here that we could switch between two antennas. The 435 signal comes in this port on the diplexer from the back of this transceiver. These transceivers can be controlled with the computer software, and as you can see, the frequency is varying here, and this is due to the Doppler shift of the satellite as it's coming closer or getting further away. So the Doppler shift has to be dealt with. Either you do it manually or you let the software calculate it out. Now we'll go take a look at the antenna. Okay, there's a log periodic made by Create. It goes from 50 megahertz to 1.3 gigahertz. There's also a second antenna that I was using here. It's a homemade log periodic. It's called a herringbone log periodic. That's it. Okay, and that's on a camera tripod, so you can rotate it around and aim it in different directions as the satellite moves. You can change the elevation depending on where the satellite is. It could be overhead, so you could tilt it up. So it works pretty good for that. Okay, that's it.